Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the railway and welcome to another train spotting video. Now if you've only just been subscribed for a year or a year and a half, something like that, there's a chance you won't remember the train spotting videos because I haven't done them for quite a long while. It's been probably nearly 2 years since I last did one. So very basically, this is what I do. I take you, the camera, and put you in a range of different locations around the room. And very simply, I just run trains past you. Now there is a little hidden twist to it, which I'm not going to talk about right now because you'll see that soon enough, but very basically that's all it is. And what you do with that is completely up to you. Of course you can just watch it and enjoy it if that's what you want to do, or you can do the proper train spotting thing and get a notepad and a pen or whatever and take notes on what you see and email them to me or leave them in a comment or whatever you want to do. Whatever you decide is absolutely fine. You do what you will with this, but here we go with another train spotting video, probably the last one ever in fact, and oh yes, it's going to be Thomas and Friends locos today. So I hope you enjoy it. We're going to go to the first location right now and yeah, let's see what happens. Good luck if you decide you're going to take notes. Okay, so here we are then at the first location, and for those that are going to be taking notes, the location name for this is of course Gordon's Hill. So now for the twists then that I talked about. So I'm going to turn up some sound. And by the sound of it, there's a train on the way already, so we better hurry up. So I'm also going to push the realistic button. There we go, so hopefully that looks quite a little bit more realistic. And also we're going to be starting off with some of the old-fashioned engines from Sodor, so I'm going to press the old-fashioned button. There we go. And with that then, let's get started. Here's the first engine coming just now. Alright folks, well I hope you enjoyed that. That was just a few of the more old-fashioned engines on Sodor. So now we're going to change location and we'll wait for some more of the characters to appear. Alright, so here we are at the second location and I'm not going to waste any time this time, so let's hit that realism button. There we go, and let's get the sound up and let's get those engines on the way. Who's it going to be first? Right, well I hope you enjoyed that one. Definitely some very, very big characters on display there. So we've got time for one more location. We're going to go to the sort of newest engines of Sodor, if you like, or at least some of them. And so here we go, we're going to move one more time. Let's get to that right now. Okay, so here we are then at the last location. You've got a bit of a bird's eye view of this one. So this is Toy Town South if you're interested, and we're going to be going, as I said, with some slightly later engines. So here we go, I think I hear the first one coming now. Let's get started.
Let's go and find us some steam engines. Yeah, alright.
Alright then folks, well that is about it. That is every train you're going to see today. I think it should be 13 in total. So do of course let me know down in the comments whether you managed to spot all 13. But for now, thank you very much for watching once again. I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little bit of something different. I know it isn't all that long, but there's only so long that people are going to want to sit and watch trains going to and fro past them. So I think that's about right really, isn't it? So once again, thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you liked that, and I will see you all next time for something different. Alright, cheers everybody, see you next time.